It's a decent start for the Nifty, 68.25. You can't complain. With flat set of global cues, if markets are trading with a rub of green, that clearly is a victory for the bulls. Let's look at individual stocks now. What do you want to start with? You want to start with Sesa Sterlite and anything which has got to do with the mining sector per se. 200 rupees for Sesa Sterlite. The event reaction is not there. JSPL is the other one which already had moved up yesterday in anticipation of this news. And then you've got JSW Steel, which is at 1095. Ashok Leyland is another promising star, or has been a promising star. That one is off to a decent start. There you go, 24.5 for Ashok Leyland. And then you also want to look at some of the truck finance companies like Sundram Finance and then Shriram Transport Finance. Cummins is off to a decent start. It is at 560 rupees. Now let's look at Wipro, TCS and Infosys. Largely what's happening in the IT space. Wipro, bear in mind, yesterday took a knock off more than 5%. TCS is the better of the lot, the best one in the breed, so to speak. And Infosys has stopped falling, but it is still not appreciating, still sub 3200 for Infosys. GVK, GMR, NCC, Wockhardt, all the momentum stocks are off to a decent start, even though it's a flat start for benchmark indices.
South Indian Bank, wherein the RBI has removed restriction on FII buying, that has gotten off to a smart start on predictable lines, a 5% uptick coming in there. Cell Propack as well, wherein the promoters have raised stake to now 55.1% from the earlier 52. You've also got RLNFS Engineering, which has bagged a big contract, 268 crore rupees, and that as well, what a smart start there, 10% higher for this one. MCX, wherein the audit panel is going to now consider PwC's special audit report, which is tomorrow. It's going a little bit under pressure in trade right now. And on April 26th, the MCX board is going to consider, like I said, the PwC special audit report. Hotel Leela, which is in now talks with lenders and investors to raise funds. We told you yesterday that they are looking at selling 2 of their properties in Chennai as well as Delhi. Meantime, you've also got Raymond, wherein there are reports that J.K. Helen Curtis is looking to offload a 20% stake. So watch out for this one. Remember, they hold Raymond holds about a 47% stake in J.K. Helen Curtis as well. Some other stocks that you would want to look out for, Kane, and there are some dealing room checks which do suggest that there perhaps may be some buying ahead of the earnings which are slated to come out this week itself. Kane, though, has started off flat. M&M Finance, wherein we do expect the NPS to improve on a sequential basis. Watch out for this one, and this too has gotten off to a smart start. But it's absolutely flat for the Nifty, 68.25. The Bank Nifty should come up for you on your screens next.